So I've been challenged to make a Jenga tower with these 2 blocks as my base. Now obviously it's gonna fall because the base is the most important part. For us humans, our base is our developing fetus in our mother's womb. But what if I told you that external factors such as poverty and the toxic stress it causes affect the development of our fetus, weakening the base of our lives? Think of stress as your body's natural alarm system. But what if that alarm was on day and night? That's toxic stress caused by things like poverty. When we're stressed, our brain signals our adrenal glands and our kidneys to release cortisol. In a pregnant mother experiencing normal levels of stress, this active cortisol is turned into inactive cortisone by an enzyme in the placenta. However, when a mother is experiencing toxic stress, there's simply too much cortisol and that enzyme gets overwhelmed, allowing that active cortisol to pass over into the fetus. Once in the fetus, this excessive maternal cortisol essentially gets the developing baby to mirror the mother's stress response. This can interfere with critical brain development, with one key target being the BDNF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor. This neuropeptide, or a small protein, is found in the brain and the spinal cord. BDNF is like fertilizer for our neurons, supporting growth, connection, and neuroplasticity, essential for learning, memory, and emotional and behavioral regulation. Once in the cell, the cortisol attaches to the glucocorticoid receptor, allowing it to let go of its chaperone proteins and move into the nucleus. In the nucleus, the GR has access to the DNA, where it goes and attaches to the promoter region of the BDNF gene, responsible for controlling and initiating the transcription process. This gene suppression can have adverse effects on the baby's development. However, new research says that good outcomes from adversity come from having at least one strong supportive relationship since birth. That nurturing bond actually affects how our genes turn on and off, helping a child grow and develop healthier, more adaptive behaviors throughout their lives. Though poverty and toxic stress do leave their mark, they don't define the future. The relationships and connections we build are what let us rewrite our brain's story.